Oh, that was not easy. That hurts. From the second it touches my eye, it stings. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So I look very crazy right now. I'm about to go photo shoot. We're doing like an avant-garde kind of dark theme photo shoot. This is like shaking around with my friend Hillary, who is right here laying on the floor right next to me. I think she might be dead, but I can't tell. She's just laying there. Just kidding. She's definitely not. Well, maybe. Today we are trying out the Kat Von D inner liquid liner. It's called the Lash Liner, and I thought that this makeup would be a perfect opportunity to put this thing to the test because we're gonna be out in the heat. It is hot today. What's the degree? 90 degrees outside, which in Texas means that it's 100 because it's humid. And all I have on is like my eyeshadow and foundation, so I'm looking a little crazy. But I'm gonna give you the lowdown on this product. So this is going to be the first ever liquid liner for your waterline, which is like crazy. Like, why would you? I've tried to put liquid liner in my waterline before and it was not cute. So I'm very, very curious and a little bit scared to find out how this works. On the Sephora website, it says that it retails for $20 and it is only sold at Sephora because Kat Von D is owned by Sephora. So under the what it is section, it says a first of its kind, long wearing, water resistant liquid eyeliner specially designed for the waterline. And then there is a whole bunch of information about how it's like a hybrid fluid gel formula, contains clay binding ingredients for a richer texture than a standard liquid liner. It's supposed to stand up to watery eyes, transfer resistant, long wear, so many high promises. It is formulated without parabens. Lightly pull down the skin under your eye to expose the waterline. During and after application, avoid blinking for 15 seconds. That's a long time. To allow the formula to set completely for best performance and wear. Stamp, draw, or dot. Discover the application technique that is best for you. To stamp, lightly pat the long edge of the applicator along the waterline. To draw, glide the long edge of the applicator along the waterline in one fluid stroke. To dot, use the precise tip to gently dot the formula along the waterline until your desired look is achieved. I'm thoroughly scared. Those application tips did not comfort me at all. Okay. So, comes in a little box like this, very similar to the other Kat Von D box packaging stuff. Only comes in one shade, it only comes in black, at least right now. Maybe if it does really well that she'll eventually release more shades, but for now it's mostly black. Obviously that's the most popular eyeliner color. So it has like this weird, like, it's almost like a lip gloss applicator, but it doesn't have an angle on it. Like, you know how the lip gloss applicators have like a little angle so that it hugs the lip nicely? This one is just rounded off. So, and I really like the packaging. It's kind of like I could stab somebody with this. It's a little bit scary actually. I'm nervous. So pull it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to reach this in because I'm trying to hold my mirror at the same time. All right, let's try the sweeping motion first. Oh, that burns. Oh, that burns a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, it burns. Okay, I'm gonna hold it for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 14, 15. Oh, that was not easy. That hurts. What the heck? It's like from the second it touches my eye, it stings. How did they use this on people? Golly. I actually watched other people apply this, and like I watched a couple of other videos on it and they didn't say that it stings, so maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just ultra sensitive like usual. Actually on this eye, oh no, it stings. Oh my god. My eye's watering because it's stinging. 2, 3. Other than it burning the crap out of my eyes, it looks like it's doing pretty well so far. It wasn't super hard to apply at all. Like, it went on super, super easily. I do wear contacts, and one of the other videos that I watched, the girl wore contacts and she said that it really, really fogged up her lenses, but from what I can tell, at least she didn't read the description and like the suggested usage tips on camera, so she may not have known that you need to kind of let it dry before you let yourself blink so that it doesn't fog up your lenses and get all over your eye, basically, because my lenses are perfectly fine. I'm not having that issue at all. However, I'm not sure if I'm really a big fan of having to wait 15 seconds seconds before I can blink. But I mean, I don't want to be entitled. Like, if this product works really, really well, then waiting the 15 seconds from eye to eye is not really that big of a deal. So we'll see how this works out right now. I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's really pigmented. It's really black. My only downside right now, well, two downsides, the time that you have to wait in between to blink and how much it burns. But it only burns like on initial application, and then once it dries, it's fine. Like, it's not still stinging my eyes, but it's just like as soon as it touches my eye, like immediately it burns. Hopefully it doesn't give me any irritation or anything like that, because that would kind of suck. I really have been looking for a good liner that just like stays in my waterline. The one that I've had the best luck with is the Perversion from Urban Decay. Even that one's not perfect. You still have to touch it up a little bit throughout the day, but it still does stay pretty well. So if this one stays like really well, like it just is on there all day, I'm gonna be pretty excited about it. So this is where we are right now. I'm gonna do a check-in with you guys in a few hours and we'll see how this guy lasts. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup. Bye. What's up, everyone? So it is now the end of the night and I am looking a little bit like the Phantom of the Opera over here with my hair all slicked back. I'm looking a little edgy, a little avant-garde. I did a little photo shoot with my friend, which is why I thought that this was the perfect time to film this wear test. It is now the end of the night. It is almost 9:30. It's actually past 9:30 now because I just talked for like 10 minutes and didn't turn my microphone on. So anyways, it has been on for a good 4.5 hours, going on 5, and I think that's plenty of time to kind of get a feel for how the eyeliner is going to last. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in close. I'm looking a little rough now. I was looking a little bit more glamorous earlier, but I ripped off my lashes, not thinking that I still had to film the rest of this video. So here we are, my hot mess self after being out in the 90-degree weather. Anyways, this is how our eyeliner is looking. Honestly, I have to say that it's not amazing. I am severely underwhelmed by this product. I really had high hopes for it. I was like, oh my gosh, the only thing that lasts on me is liquid eyeliner. That's the only thing that won't smudge and blah blah blah. And so I was like, yes, finally a liquid liner for your lash line. Let's do this. This, I feel, has worn little to no differently than my Urban Decay Perversion liner. Quite honestly, I think, and I don't do this often, like I never return products, but this one I think I'm going to return actually. And not because it's like that bad, but I just personally had some reactions to it that have made me know that I won't be reaching for this product again because it stung my eyes. It has made my contacts blurry throughout the day. I even feel like it's causing my eyes to be drier than they normally are, which I don't know why. I don't know if maybe there's glands on my waterline and it's sealing those glands and not allowing it to produce the water to keep my eyes hydrated. I mean, I don't know what it is, but it was stinging and it like really stung. And even though the stinging went away, it's still smudging all throughout my eyes and making my contacts blurry. And it is, I am never going to reach for this product again. I just know that I won't. And so I'm probably going to return it, honestly. So I hate to do that, but it's just a product that did not work for me. I had a reaction to it and I'm not going to keep it around to just sit in my collection to just waste away. So again, it's not that I think that the product is horrible, it just really has not worked for me. I personally don't think it's worth the $20 because I don't see it lasting any better. And it's not like the price is like, oh my gosh, so much bigger, because I think the Urban Decay pencils are around the same price, 21-ish, 23-ish maybe. So it's not necessarily about the price, it's just the fact that, like, to me it's not worth the $20 because it's not giving me much more longevity than my Urban Decay pencil would, and the struggle of having to apply it, like you apply it and then you wait 15 seconds and then you let it go, then you do the other side and you wait 15 seconds and then you let it go. It just seems unnecessary. It seems unnecessary when I have a perfectly good pencil that's easier to apply. I don't have to wait for it to dry, seems to wear about the same, and everything in between. So that's kind of how I'm feeling about the Kat Von D lash liner. I hate to say it because I really wanted to love this product, but that's where we are. So try to ignore my crazy hair and crazy incomplete eye look because it just does not look the same without lashes on. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave because we have now hit 400 subscribers, which means that I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. Yay! Make sure that you hit the subscribe button because once we hit 500, we're gonna be doing another giveaway. Subscribing right now will be part of what enters you for the future 400 subscriber giveaway. I'm so excited. I love doing giveaways. I just feel like they just are so exciting. I just like doing nice things for people who support me. And so it's a way that I can pour and support you guys back. So thank you. And make sure to check out some of my other videos before you leave. And here's the little subscribe button for you. So clickaroo right there. And I will see you guys in Friday's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah.